To set recommended troubleshooting as automatically, then notify me in Windows 10 Home. Open Settings, click on the Start menu icon, and then click on tab Settings. Select Update and Security, and then select Troubleshoot. On recommended troubleshooting, recommended troubleshooters can help improve your Windows experience. How much do you want Microsoft to help when we find issues on your device that troubleshooters might be able to fix? Click or tap drop-down menu, and then select Run Troubleshooter automatically, then notify me. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.